Like a queen, like a queen, like a queen, a queen upon her throne. It's like it was the sweet, it's like sweetest thing I've known.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create these dope labels for my lip gloss line using an Avery template. If you like what you see, keep watching, get you some inspiration. So today I'm going to be using the app PixArt, which is a free app that you can use. So you're going to choose a transparent background, which is going to give you a PNG file, which basically means your logo or whatever your design is the only thing that's going to be on your sticker. No background or nothing. So you're going to format it to have a triangle shape, and then you're going to start designing. So my lip gloss is called Glop. So I'm just spelling out the word Glop. I'm spacing out the letters so that the wording kind of pops and is bigger and can be seen. So after I do that, I made it bigger so that you're able to see my design. And now you're going to go in and choose the different fonts that you want. There's so many different fonts on PixArt. You're just going to go through all of them, or if you have something that you have in mind, maybe cursive or calligraphy, or something simple like me, or all caps, or whatever. Just go through the fonts and select whatever one you think would go good with your brand. So that's what I'm doing here. I selected this font, so now I'm just aligning everything to make sure everything's centered and adding whatever other wording that I want to add. You can add your brand, the name of the lip gloss, a tagline for your business, whatever you want to place on your label. This is where you do it. You're just going to make sure that your wording is big enough to be seen on the lip gloss. You don't want your customers squinting, looking like, what is that? No. So you're going to make it a nice size. Now you can just adjust the color how you want it. Me, I wanted my wording to be white. So I left the glop part white, and now I'm just playing with the color of the high shine lip gloss. You can add shadows, you can add borders in different colors to make things pop. It's just whatever your preference is. This is where you're going to show your creativity and design it how you like it. So there's certain standards, FDA standards on how you have to label your products. You have to put the weight, and in certain cases you have to place your ingredients. I'm not doing all that right now, but I will be doing it in a separate occasion. So right now I'm just focusing on my label. After you play with it a bit and get everything how you like it, you can go into your stickers on the app. It's labeled stickers at the bottom, and you can add whatever it is that you want on your label. Possibilities are endless. They have so much variety of stickers that you can choose from. Me, I was looking for, they have sparkles, they have butterflies, boxes, squares, squiggly lines, a whole bunch of things that can really make your label pop and set it apart from everybody else's. I ended up scrapping that high shine lip gloss in the 20 grams. I thought that didn't look all that appealing, so I got rid of that, and I found that cute square that I stretched out, and I thought that really looked nice and made it really come together. So you just browse through and see whatever works for you, and just be different and be creative. Be sure that you get everything how you want it before you hit that check mark, because after that you won't be able to edit it like that again. So I liked how it looked right there, so I went ahead and saved it. Now I'm going over to avery.com/templates. I purchased my template off of Amazon. Um, Here I'm just signing into my account because I've already done some things. Signing in, and then you want to put in the number on the template. That will bring up your sticker, your labels, and then you're just going to go ahead and start customizing it. This particular sticker I got was 6521, which is a clear clear rectangular sticker. I believe is 1 inch by 2.5. So you just go ahead and select that one, and there's your template. Now it's time to start designing it. Now you're going to go and select your image in your files, your camera roll, and you're going to select your PixArt app or folder or whatever editor you chose to use. Select that folder and select the picture that you just created, the PNG file. Once you've done that, you're going to align your align your file how you want it to look on the label. You're going to make sure it's centered. You're going to edit it so that it is the size that you want it. And you're just going to make sure everything is how you want it in this editing space. I want my sticker to be, my label to be as big as possible. And you're like looking, I know you're looking like, where's the word glop? So I was confused as to why my wording wasn't coming up, but I kind of thought it was because I had a white background. So I just kept working with it, thinking that my lettering was still there. Unfortunately, it wasn't. So I ended up having to go back into PixArt and redoing it. But before I did that, I just wanted to double check to see if my wording was actually there. So I just chose that file, and I wanted to see what came up, and lo and behold, there it is. So I'm just assuming that it wasn't showing up because it had a white background. Now I'm just continuously editing that label to make it fit, thinking that my wording is there, which is not. So be mindful of that if you want white labeling. Now I'm just centering everything, making sure everything is the size that I want it. And I ended up going through and printing it out on a piece of paper just to see, and my lettering wasn't there. So now I'm just going to show you how I went back into PixArt and redid the label. Only this time I did everything the same. I just added a black border or outline around the word glop so that it could stand out. So when you add that background, you're going to go into stroke and you're going to select whatever color you want the outline on your wording to be. I chose black. There it is. Once you get it how you want it, just save it and then go back into PixArt. Now, I use that label, but you can choose whatever type of labels you want. Here, I'm just giving you a demonstration of a different type of label that you can try. You're just going to select, this time I used my logo, which is my old logo, Lash Lovers Lane. So I took my logo, lined everything up, and just playing around to see how I can get my logo to be. This is just a example of something else you could try. Back into the stickers, I wanted to add the camera like sticker. I thought that would be dope. So here I am lining up that camera frame onto my logo to kind of frame it. Then I'm just going to play with it and change the color, make things pop. And yeah, it came out cute. Here I'm just going into the different settings, the different effects that you can use. You can colorize it, change the color, you can brighten it, you can make it neon, you can do all types of different things to it. I just wanted it pink and black, so I just went into where the fonts and contrast and the adjustments, and here I'm adjusting the hue to get that pink dot, and then I'm going to adjust my contrast to make it darker, and then I'm going to go into borders and add a pink border to it to set it off. Just changing the color on that border. I thought that looked really cute. Something different, something I definitely haven't seen before as far as on a logo. So yeah, this was just an example of something else you could try. You just got to go in PixArt and play with it and see what you like, what you don't like, and just make adjustments. It's your brand, your baby, so you know what fits your brand and you know what would look good and how you want your labels to look. And that's how it looked on a white background. That was really cute. But I went ahead and went with my glop label. So now I'm just going back to Avery, getting everything how I want it finally. Adding my image. centering everything, making it as big as I can, having everything fit within those parameters. And then I'm going to preview it and print it out. So now you can definitely see my lettering, finally. Although it did not come out white, for some reason, it didn't come out white, but it was transparent. So that was kind of dope, and I like that. I like how it came out, and I like how it looked. So if you're looking to have white lettering, I'm not sure how to do that because mine didn't come out like that. Hopefully someday in the future I'll be able to invest in a Cricut. That way I can make my labels how I want it. But here is your preview. You're going to blow it up just to make sure everything is in on the sticker inside. Nothing got cut off. And if you like that, you just go ahead and save the design. Once you save everything, it's going to take you to the printing page where you can preview what it's going to look like, and then you go ahead and print it out. I did use I believe it was 1600 DPI on my printer. That really made the color pop, and I just love how it came out. Like I said, it was transparent. It didn't come out white, but it's so cute and sleek and kind of modern, and I just like it. Stay tuned for more upcoming entrepreneurial videos. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and let me know how your stickers came out. All right, y'all. Peace.